9 romantic ways to take care of your husband after marriage that will last a lifetime. Want a husband who will still look at you with love at 70? Here are the 9 points that will make this happen like a magic. Most women marry but are not loved by their husbands. The love fades away immediately after some months. Here are 9 points that will guide you on how to make your husband look at you with love at 70. And one of that is listen to him like he's the only one in the room. This is because if you do so, over time he will begin to build trust. He will build trust in you. He will always feel safe opening up to you. Even when you are old and gray, he will still talk to you first. This is very true. This reminds me of when I was younger. A woman old and the man also old. They were sitting together. The way both of them were sitting will tell you, that they really bonded, that this woman really did this first point. The next point is cook his favorite meal just because. These little acts turn into memories. One day he will smile at the smell of your cooking and remember all the love behind it. This is why I keep telling women, married women, to know how to cook. It is not a priority. You must know how to cook. Cook for your man. This helps to build love, bond, and trust between both of you. If you leave his food, his meal, for your mate, it is going to turn out bad for you at old age. This is why it's so. You can see some married people, man and woman, at old age, the man is even cooking his meal. This is rampant. This is common these days. This is how it starts. The next point is send him a sweet text during the day. This is very necessary. Sending him text, no matter how little, I love you, oh, I care for you, I miss you, we go a long way. Keep this spark alive, even in routine. Years from now, those little I love you, I miss you text or messages become your love stories glue. Do you understand? You sit down, you remember them. Oh, do you remember? Sometimes I do it. We keep remembering. Do you remember when we did this, when we did this and that? Yes, we really started well. And I thank God it is keeping us to today. The next thing you must do to keep your man, your husband, happy and loving you after 70 years is give him genuine compliments. He will walk through life with confidence, knowing he's enough for you. The next one is create quiet moment. Life gets loud, but love grows in stillness. Those peaceful moments become sacred. They bond your heart even in silence. This is a reality. The next thing to do is laugh with him a lot. Do you know how to laugh, my sisters? Learn it. Bright face, smiles keeps the spark alive also. Do you know that laughter keeps your love alive in 30, 40, 50 years and above? Those inside jokes will still keep you both smile like teenagers. This is a reality. Make sure you do these things. They bond you and keep your marriage alive. Marriage can be boring sometimes, but if you know these things, your marriage will be on the move. You will enjoy it. The next thing you must do is support his dreams, even the big crazy ones. He will never forget you. He will never forget that you believed in him. And in old age, he will say, you were always the one who had my back. This is a reality. Make sure you support your man. Don't look at other men. Focus on your man, on your husband, and you begin to love him. You begin to cherish him. When you begin to share your attention between him and other man, you are not going to give him 100% love. This is a reality. Surprise him with his favorite treat or drink. Why? It says, I know you, I notice you. When you do this, this is what will ring in his mind. This is what you are doing is telling him, I know you, I notice you. That kind of care never gets old. It makes even an ordinary day feel special. I hope you are gaining something from this teaching. These are very important things. You must know as a woman, marriage is breaking, collapsing, liquidating. Let me put it that way. Every woman is running out of marriage. Most of them are running out of marriage because they fail to take note of these things. These are little things, but that makes a huge difference. Make sure you coquette it. Bring it into your marriage as early as immediately you say, I do. Start with them. Move with them. Roll with them. Make sure your marriage is on. It will keep you and guide you to old age, and that man will never forget loving you. The next thing you must do is hold his hand often. This is why, because physical touch speaks when words can't. And one day you will still be holding hands, not out of habit, but out of deep, lasting love. I want to add this. Listen very carefully and attentively. Love doesn't fade with time, rather it deepens. And these little things, they are how forever starts. Did you get something from it? Make sure you follow me in this channel. I have so many things to bring to you, my viewers and subscribers, to spark up your relationship and your marriage, to pep it up and make it lively, so that you will keep smiling and looking young like the way I am. Kindly follow me. You will love these teachings from now on. Yes, I have come to the end of today's teaching. If you have something to add to what to do to make your husband love you, keep loving you even after 70 and above, kindly put it down in the comment section. Are you seeing me for the first time, or you've been watching without subscribing? Kindly subscribe to your sister channel. God bless all of you, my returning viewers and subscribers, wherever you are. I love all of you. God bless all of you for me. Kindly give the channel a thumbs up, hit the notification bar, share this video to all your friends. Remember, we are here always. Love you. Bye bye.